Big Red Jacks. See the quality of these, you know, see if the weldings are not that bad. So, I don't know why it looks like that. This side is nice and clear. I mean, I don't really care about just, you know, a little rust. Ain't too bad. But this one. Just a little surface rust, a little dinged up, I guess, on the oh, you can see some red on the top of the box. Yeah, I guess the travel wasn't smooth. Sorry, doing this with one hand. I don't have a fancy video camera or anything like that. I'm just doing it on my phone, so, you know. Sorry about that, guys, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, I mean, there's some, you know, little stuff you can actually see. The welds here. I mean, I'm not a welder, that's for sure, but what do I think? I mean, they look all right. Let's go for right there. Can't really. How's it look? All right, put this thing in here. So, does it go that way? All right, all right. So it's on. Wow, that was super loud. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I mean, look, all right. I own another pair of these, but they're not. I don't have them here. I have them at my other house. Left all my stuff. I left all my stuff back in Illinois in my other garage. This is just a little shed back of this house. I live now. Right now, I'm, you know, my family and I are living in San Antonio. Took me a second to think about it. I brought a few things. I made this the other day. From some guy on YouTube decided to do it. This is brand new. I just bought that one. That was awesome. Took it to the beach. Sorry. Okay. Getting distracted. Back to these. So, what do I think? And like I said, I'm not a welder, but I think these are pretty decent. So there's like a manual. Tells you how to put them in and all that stuff. Yada yada yada. Who needs this, right? For you know what? I probably need it later though. Nah, that's simple. And well, it says stop. Do not return this product to the store. Okay. Well, I guess I return back to the store. So I'm gonna use these maybe later today. Thinking of rotating the tires on my truck. So yeah, overall, think they're okay. I think I spend maybe $50, 50 some. I can put the link on the bottom so you guys can, if you want to buy them, you can go get them. I'm not getting no money off of that, so I wish it was Amazon. Yeah. Yep. So, all right. I hope this helps you out. Probably I'll do some more videos. We just made that yesterday. Need to do more videos on my truck. I got to put some stuff on my truck. So forgot to show you guys these pins. A little tricky. I'm used to just a solid, right? But this one, these go in here like that. You know what? I'm not a big fan of these. Slide in and out really easily. Yeah, it's on there. So we take it out. Let's see, if you put it back in there.